You saw me make this gorgeous beach split tumbler last week on my channel. This week, I'm going to show you how to make the 2 pens that come in my craft maker's box. It also comes with a keychain. I didn't record a tutorial on that this time. When you receive your box, the pen topper will be attached, but it just slides right off so you can decorate your pen. We're gonna start by twisting off the top clicker part and then dump out that little spring in the back. Twist off where the ink releases, pull out the ink. You'll get this little white part as well. And what I like to do is I just find a medicine cup or a little container and I put all the parts in there so we don't lose them. I created this pen template and I have cut it out on a double-sided sticky sheet, and I am just going to take the pen topper and I'm just going to measure the excess that needs to be cut off, because once you wrap this on the tumbler, the pen topper will not fit. So I'm just going to kind of trace the bottom of the starfish on my template and cut off the excess. We're going to take the top layer off of that double-sided sticky sheet where the template is cut, and we're going to apply our first glitter color, which is Sand Dollar. Now, this is one of the cons on working with double-sided sticky tape. It normally won't keep your glitter as concentrated if you are using something thicker than a fine glitter. So what I like to do is I'll apply a layer and then I'll find my favorite glitter glue, which mine is Tumbler Poxy's Poxy Seal. If you guys want to try it, it is the best on the market, hands down. Go ahead and try it. It is from tumblerpoxy.com, and you can use code TRINA15 at checkout, TRYNA 15. I'm going to do every other section in glitter on this template, so I'm going to remove the next section I want to glitter, and we're going to go in with sand. When you are applying glitter to a double-sided sticky sheet, I like to just barely rub it in, not really burnish it flat because you take away the glitter look, but I'm just going to barely tap it in to that adhesive. This sand color is a little bit finer than the other 2 glitter colors, so this one only needed 1 coat. Now with our third and final section, we are going to take the glitter color Ocean, and we are going to need 2 coats with this, so just go back over it with your Tumbler Poxy Seal. If you love my boxes, my June box is now available on my site. There are only limited supplies, so make sure you go snag that box that you want. If you love my craft makers boxes, if you sign up for my elite tier on Patreon, you get the monthly box, and then the mentorship group is absolutely free. There will be a link for you to join down in the description. The June box is a completely different theme. This is a box from a month or so ago. I'm a little bit behind posting YouTube tutorials, so just so you know, it is different, but I promise you every single one is put together with so much thought and so much heart. Everyone coordinates perfectly, and everything is brand new to the site. So these are unreleased glitters and vinyls, so you won't be getting doubles. I have cut out the same template on one of the small scale vinyls that you would get in the box, and we're going to go back in and remove the pieces in between the glitters, and we're going to find the same section on the printed vinyl and then place that on top of the double-sided sticky sheet. Continue that process until the face of your template is full with that pattern vinyl. I'm going to flip the template over and just cut off any overhang from applying that pattern vinyl. I'm going to seal those glitter sections before I apply this template to my pen. I'm just going to go back in with Tumbler Epoxy's Poxy Seal and a paintbrush and apply this over my glitter, and then we're going to let it dry. Once it's dry, we're going to remove the backing of our template, and I just like to place it face down on my desk. And then I will just take the pen and line it up with that straight edge, and then the bottom edge matches up with the bottom of the pen. I will just hold it firmly on my desk, and I will just push and roll. Now I'm going to just place the pen topper on top of my pen. It is not glued down or anything right now. I like to put it on my pen and paint it or glitter it or whatever you would like to do. But if you would like to do this part off of the pen and you can stick it on a dowel or whatever, that's fine too. But I just have it set on there. Right now, you guys know what I mean, right? And then I'm just going to base coat it with kind of a mustardy yellow. Now I'm going to go in with a different brush and then kind of an orangey brown color. And I'm just going to stipple the center of the entire starfish from the center out to the little phalanges and darkening it a little bit more in the center. Stippling is just kind of like pouncing your brush over and over and over. Taking a dotting tool and a little bit darker of a brown than we were using, that we were kind of using that orangey brown before. Now I'm just kind of going in with kind of, I don't know what I really call this. It's kind of a muted brown, but you can use whatever brown you have on hand. We're just going to make a bunch of little dots all over the starfish. Once your dots are all dry, you're going to go in with kind of a fine liner brush, and I'm just going to draw lines from the inside going outwards on all of the little points of the starfish. I have added some glitter to the top of my my pen. Sorry, I get used to saying the same words over and over. This is a pen today. As you can see, there was some white at the top of the pen. I just added some of that sand glitter. And then I am just going to show you how I coat my pens. I use UV resin, and it's easiest to just use a paintbrush. You can rinse this paintbrush out in acetone because the epoxy doesn't cure until it's under a light. So I'm just going to apply this all over my starfish and around my starfish. This will also seal it on. You know how I said before, it's not glued on or anything. So this is what will hold it in place. So we're just going to add a really nice coat, and then we're going to put it under our light. You have added a couple of layers of UV resin to your pen. You're going to make sure it's fairly smooth, and this template, I created this little teeny tiny offset. Man, was it a pain in the ass to apply these and cut these out. But I will tell you, the end result was so stinking cute. It was worth it. I just cussed a little bit as I went. But as you can see, I'm picking them up with these little teeny tiny tweezers, and I'm placing them on the cut lines in between the glitter and vinyl just to give it a nice, clean, crisp look. Once we have all of our little lines applied, we're going to go back in with our paintbrush and UV resin, add another layer of UV resin, and give it a cure. Now your pen is all completed. We're going to put it back together. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to first take the spring, and this spring goes in the back. Now make sure it doesn't come out through the top here. Then we're going to go back in with the white part, and the screw part goes up. Then we're going to go in with the pen ink, and then we're going to screw on the tip. Once you have that all done, you're going to take the back clicker part and you're going to screw that on as well. Now let's make the snow globe pen. The ink part just pulls straight out, and then the white part does get a little bit firm, but if you just twist and pull, it will eventually come off. Some of them are harder than others for some reason, just the way they're manufactured. And then you're going to twist this silver part out, and then you're also going to take off this little teeny tiny ring that's around the snow globe part. Like I said before, keep this all together in a little medicine cup or container. The white pen section, I am just going to put on a dowel and give it a light sand. And then I do have 2 SVGs that wrap perfectly around both of my pens. It's just one SVG. You get both SVGs in one file. And I have cut that SVG out on the second sheet you got in this box. I'm going to remove that little wrap. I'm going to do the same thing as before, just placing this face down on my desk, and I'm just going to line up the top and bottom, and I'm just going to push and roll that on. Now I'm just going to add a UV layer to that section of the pen. The good thing about the snow globe pen is they can be super quick. If you want to add glitter and stuff to this section, that's totally fine. I usually don't because I'm adding the glitter to the snow globe part. So I just keep this pen pretty basic and simple. And so therefore I will only need 1 coat of UV resin over this vinyl. For the snow globe part, I have this little funnel, but if you don't, you can just put your glitter in a little medicine cup and pinch it and pour it in this little section. I'm going to fill this a little bit less than halfway with that ocean glitter. I have a little bit of snow globe solution in this medicine cup. I'm just going to pinch it and pour it in. Not all the way. I'm just going to mix slowly or pour slowly until the glitter and solution is all mixed. And then I will continue to fill that little cavity with snow globe solution until it's completely full and the glitter is saturated with that solution. Now we're going to put our pen back together. So we're going to take that silver part and that screws right back in. You're going to take that little ring and it goes towards the base of the snow globe solution part. We're going to put the white part back on, which just pushes on very firmly, and then the tip just pushes in as well. Don't forget, the Craft Makers box comes with what I call a stained glass inspired keychain. This is what the one looked like in this box. And then we have a recap on the entire box. We have the tumbler that we made last week, the 2 pens, and the darling keychain. Don't forget, your June box is now available. Go snag one before it's gone. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.